Now let's have a little bit of fun now. I'll make one track out of two now, and it's a little bit funny when I'm wrong now, but everybody's talking about the breakdown. So I break these records into pieces and fix them together just how I need them. Played in the club at 12 o'clock, and what can I say? Party non-stop. What can I say? Party non-stop. Just smile if you're having fun tonight, and groove if you feel the push inside. Move your body non-stop, take a breath and fill your glass up and raise your hands up. It's time to blink and wink to the girl with the glamorous things. Go on, this shit won't sink. We feel like nightclub kings. Stop, 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 stop. Just smile if you're having fun tonight, and groove if you feel the push inside. Move your body non-stop, take a breath and fill your glass up and raise your hands up. It's time to blink and wink to the girl with the glamorous things. Go on, this shit won't sink. We feel like nightclub kings. Now let's have a little bit of fun now. I'll make one track out of two now, and it's a little bit funny when I'm wrong now, but everybody's talking about the breakdown. Break these records into pieces and fix them together just how I need them. Played in the club at 12 o'clock, and what can I say? Party non-stop. What can I say? Party non-stop.
Say hello. Say hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Everybody.
What up?
We're going to Ubud.
How long to Ubud?
How long to Ubud?
Yeah.
1 hour?
Oh,
1 hour? 1 hour?
How long we stay?
Idemo vlog. Vlog se vratio. Ovo snimamo sa novom Urkelićevom kamerom.
Yeah.
Tako da bićemo na konju, vidi kako je cute. Jedna zanimljivost, idemo Uberom u Ubud i tipa teo da nam naplati 115.000 tih njihovih smrdljivih para, ali naravno, kako se zove, pošto je ovo zemlja kao i Srbija, slično onako, dok ti naplatite s kreditne kartice, ali morali smo da dodamo još toliko para u kešu da bi nas vozio, ali i dalje jeftinije nego da idemo busem. Oh, hello. Come inside.
Can I come in?
Come inside. MTV Cribs, come inside.
Whose house? It's so good.
It's so good? You like it?
No, I don't like it.
Come. These are our frogs. Straight from Japan. Timo brought them from Japan. He's really into frogs.
Fish.
As well other things.
What's
Yeah,
that?
yeah, koi fish. Koi fish. Koi fish. I'll take over, Anna. Idemo Ubud! Ali ne može sa seljacima. You cannot do it with peasants, you know? Oh, infinity poop! Infinity poop! Ovo je naše dvorište. U našoj gajbi. Mi smo mislili da je ovo neki kao meditation hub, gdje se znači meditira, ali su nam rekli da oni u stvari to piju. Where are we now?
Ubud.
No, we're in our outside bathroom.
That's so fancy.
It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded
What kind of pool do we have? Huh? What kind of pool do we have?
What pool?
What kind of pool do we have?
It's very fancy pool.
What the name?
Um,
Infinity pool! What kind of pool do we have? Huh? Infinity! Do you know what is a budala?
Budala?
Uh-huh.
Buddha.
No. Budala.
Budala. What's mean?
Crazy person.
Budala.
Budala. Budala. Budala. What are we doing now?
Celebrating
Celebrating
Easter!
Easter!